The security forces for Abuja don't scatter supporters of Kogi Central Representative Senator Natasha Akpoti-Uduaghan on Wednesday as them try to march enter the National Assembly complex. The protesters gather for one peaceful demonstration, but then face resistance from the police. The protest will start early in the morning, match the time when Senate plenary start, and the Senate Committee on Ethics, Privilege and Public Petitions go hold hearing. Police officers talk say them need to keep law and order, so them use tear gas to scatter the crowd for the entrance of the National Assembly. After them scatter, the protesters gather again for Unity Fountain, where be one popular place for protest for the capital. Meanwhile, tension dey rise as two groups wey dey support Senate President Godswill Akpabio and the one wey dey support Akpoti-Uduaghan clash for the streets of Abuja.
United Women for Good Governance call on Senator Natasha Akpoti-Uduaghan to apologize to the Nigerian Senate. Yes! 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 And also the occupier of the Senate President office and the person of His Excellency Senator Godswill Akpabio. She needs to apologize to these people. And the Nigerian women, our society, she has to apologize to us. At a time like this, we the Nigerian women cannot keep quiet or allow just one woman to use her womanhood to destroy the sanctity of the apple-making body of our country. One should have expected that, having been elected to the red chamber of the National Assembly, that Senator Natasha's negative old ways of life would change. But his recent continuation and her continuation of her old usual style of blackmailing men to get what she wants from them has gone uncurtailed to confirm the adage that leopard cannot change his skin.
On behalf of the Moko Iyali, we are here to please beg Senator Godswill Akpabio to please allow the women to go. All we are saying, allow Natasha to be the Women International Day just by the corner. We women, we are saying they should allow Natasha to do us. She's our role model. No woman, no nation.
The protest dey linked to long-standing wahala between Akpoti-Uduaghan, wey belong to People's Democratic Party (PDP), and Senate President Godswill Akpabio. The wahala start for February when the sitting arrangement for the Senate chamber make them refer Akpoti-Uduaghan to Senate Disciplinary Committee. Akpoti-Uduaghan don accuse Akpabio of sexual harassment and defamation, say the Senate President target am after she reject the alleged advances wey im make. The situation still dey tensed as both sides continue to gather support. Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. Kata Ojisele reporting for TMC TV.